Most professionals are useful. They help. They contribute. They add value. Very few are essential. And the difference quietly determines who advances, who stalls, and who gets protected when things tighten. Being useful feels productive. You respond quickly. You solve problems. You support others. It creates momentum and gratitude. But gratitude doesn't create leverage. Useful work is often procedural. It can be documented, delegated, reassigned. That doesn't make it unimportant. It makes it substitutable. Essential professionals reduce failure moods. They prevent problems others don't see yet. They stabilize outcomes when variables multiply. Removing them increases risk, and organizations feel that immediately. Quiet professionals tend to look past tasks and into systems. They understand dependencies. They notice fragility. They anticipate downstream effect. That system thinking is what makes someone essential. Each avoided issue builds trust. Each stable outcome increases reliance. Over time, work stops being assigned. It's deferred to you. That essentiality forming. Highly useful people often get overloaded. More requests. More interruptions. More dependence. But dependence without discretion traps careers in execution. Mid-career is where usefulness plateaus. Essential professionals gain discretion. Useful professionals gain volume. One scales. The other saturated. Helping isn't bad. But helping without judgment delays leverage. Quiet professionals learn when not to help and where to intervene instead. You don't need to do more to become essential. You need to matter in fewer places. That selectivity is what creates leverage. If you are constantly useful but rarely consulted, you are likely being valued, not relied on. Quiet professionals aim for reliance. Because reliance lasts when conditions change.